Hello again. This is Kevin from the Infant and Early Childhood Mental Health Team at the Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. I'm bringing to you another quick tip to help caregivers increase social and emotional wellness in children. Today's topic is using visuals. Visuals are so important because at early ages, children do not think with words our sentences in the way that adults do when we picture words or think about words in advance before we do something or when someone's telling us something. Children use pretty much strictly visuals, so images in their head. And usually it's the last image or the last word that they're imagining, or some part of what we're saying that they're imagining. So where this information can be helpful is that if we use visuals to help direct our day with children, it can really help them be more successful. So it can support their learning and it reinforces their understanding in a way that children can see and refer back to as needed. The materials you might need to use this strategy are paper, pens or markers, maybe just crayons. You might need a computer and the internet, possibly a printer. Again, it just depends on what you want to achieve and what result you're looking for. You might also go as far as to have a camera phone, and access to a photo center. If you don't have a photo printer, maybe like a Walmart or a Myers or a Walgreens, Rite Aid, some kind of print center, and really just a desire to create. There may be the need to do some drawing, but hey, we have smartphones now, and so you could do tracing even off of your phone by just pulling a picture up on the internet. So visuals remind children of the rules, the expectations, and help to guide them through their day. It can be added as a part of the morning routine, as cleanup, or a schedule that hangs on the wall with pictures of each activity for the day. And it can also be used to help them prepare or work through daily challenges like brushing teeth, getting dressed, and cleaning up by showing them again how those things are done with a step for each part of the process. So some successful tips would be to schedule, maybe make a schedule for each part of the day with pictures showing the rules and what is expected. Pictures of the children or your child doing certain activities and following the rules. So they can see that maybe this is quiet time, and so you have a picture of them like this. Or maybe it's nap time, so you have a picture of them napping. That gives them a reinforcer of what they should be doing at that time. Pictures of each step of an activity, especially if it's new, if you're teaching your child a new skill, having a picture like diagram of each step in the process can really help them be more successful. And after you've gone through it with them a few times, help them understand it and process the visual, they might even be able to do it on their own. How awesome is that? Images of family and friends that are part of their support system is also something you could bring in to the strategy by making it available to them to look at, maybe in times when they're upset or frustrated. It can be relaxing and calming to kind of see friends and family that you love and who love you. I hope this tip was helpful to you in some way. That's all for now. Thank you for listening and stay tuned to our channel and Facebook page for more resources on social and emotional wellness. Goodbye.